guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Emilia binti Muhammad Afandi, and you guys can call me Emilia. So today I would like to explain about introduction of retirement plannings and insurance plannings, which is including of purpose and background. Also, I would like to explain regarding importance of retirement planning and current issues. Background of retirement planning. Retirement is defined as the act of finishing one's working career or the period after one's permanent cessation of employment or profession. The retirement age in Malaysia is 16 years old according to the Malaysian labor law. Retirement planning is the process of defining retirement income objective, activities, and decisions that must be made in order to reach those goals. Retirement planning also refers to the financial technique of saving and then distributing money in order to live comfortably in retirement. The purpose of retirement planning can be used for paying for medical bills and healthcare. Second, can ensuring your saving lasts. Furthermore, having a lasting retirement savings would have helped you prepare for a longer life. Insurance is a basic form of risk management which provides protection against the loss of the economic benefit that can be enjoyed from asset. This asset may be physical asset such as building and machineries, or there may be human asset. Assets are subject to the risk that their ability to generate benefit could be lost or reduced due to unforeseen or unexpected events. There is a financial or economic consequence to the risk, and insurance indemnifies or protects against this consequence. Purpose of insurance planning. Insurance enables risk transfer from the beneficiary to the insurance company, which undertakes to indemnify the insured for the financial loss suffered. In return, the insured pays a periodic fee called premium to the insurer to receive this protection. To be insurable, the event being insured against, such as death, accident, or fire, must result in a financial loss which can be quantified and insured against. The premium payable will depend upon this expected loss and probability of the event occurring during the period contract. Importance of retirement planning. There are a few reasons why retirement planning is essential. To begin with, a decent quality of living. To make certain that our existing way of life continues once we retire. The second is you cannot work indefinitely. There is no excuse for not saving for retirement. No matter how much you want to work for the rest of your life, you will be better prepared if you retire early than intended if you have that money on hand. Furthermore, retirement planning is essential for emergency preparedness. In the event of financial emergency or medical expense, we don't want to be reliant on anyone. Next, retirement plan can assist us in achieving our retirement objective. Every retirement is a fresh start. It is that wonderful stage of life when we have the flexibility to travel to the new countries, learn new skills, or even establish our own businesses. We may also have continuous responsibility, such as sending our child abroad for extra schooling. We can attain all of our objectives with the correct retirement plan. Aside from that, your future financial troubles may be larger than your current one. Because your future is unclear, retirement planning is crucial, and once you have made a decision, stick to it. Last but not least, it is important to leave a legacy. You have worked hard to give your family a nice existence. You want to ensure that this level of comfort continues. Even if you are not present, you can prepare to live well for your family when you plan for your retirement and develop your retirement fund. current issue, retirement saving in COVID pandemic. The government implemented a Field Movement Control Order (MCO) during COVID-19 to control the spread, which has a substantial impact on the employees' financial situation. Malaysians are heavily reliant on their retirement fund to deal with the epidemic. This is simply owing to the government's strategy of easy law, which allow people to withdraw their contributions to the Employees Provident Fund (EPF), the country's largest pension fund, from account 2. Many public and private pension schemes throughout the world were already under strain to continue contribution. According to EPF COVID-19 result, 90% of surveyors in the formal sector stayed on the job during the movement control order, with 2 out every 5 placed on lesser pay or unpaid leave. 2% of those polled had to resign from their job. The economic slowdown caused by the global health crisis has led in lower pension contribution, lower investment return, and higher government debt.
Financial planning awareness for retirement saving creates a conducive policy environment to encourage the market to develop more retirement investment, financial products, and wealth management. As annuity plans or retail saving bonds with a longer term maturity and provide tax concession to incentive more voluntary retirement savings. Malaysians already face multiple challenges when it comes to planning for their retirement years, such as lack of saving and rising medical costs. The minimum retirement age of an employee in Malaysia is at the age of 60. The current retirement age suits with the average life expectancy of 74.5 years. According to the Statistics Department, Malaysia's demographic landscape at the gig economy demands new approach to expand pension coverage. The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The 3 EPF Special Withdrawal Scheme, ISINAR, iLestari, iCitra, have led to a situation whereby instead of minimizing the risk of bankruptcy, it has actually worsened the members' exposure. All these 22 million workforce in Malaysia having their own issues. The first category of 7% civil servants is facing inadequate monthly pensions paid by the government once they retire. Their financial retirement is undercovered because only receiving 2,100. The second category of 31% is private sector employee that's mandatory to contribute to EPF and will be able to withdraw the EPF saving when reaching age 55. From EPF records, the EPF active members are facing inadequate retirement saving because only 33% of these active members achieve basic saving. The last category of workforce that makes up to 62%, the largest portion of Malaysia's labour force is coming from self-employed and those unemployed. These Malaysians are depending only on personal savings or save money voluntarily for their own retirement. In short, there are 62% of working adult age in Malaysia has no formal social protection program for their retirement. Compared to statistics on retirement saving in America, according to the latest year 2020 report from the Federal Reserve, 25% of Americans don't have a single cent in retirement savings. In light of such shocking American retirement savings statistics, based on a recent survey from Morning Consults, almost one quarter started saving in their 30s, while another 25% began putting money away in their 40s or later. When it comes to saving, sooner is always better because starting at a later age means putting more away each month.
is Nur Atika binti Abu Bakar. I will present about insurance planning and current issue. Nowadays, our society is often exposed to various dangerous illnesses such as COVID-19 and HMDF. Most people pay for health, life, catastrophe, and other insurance to take precaution. Insurance is a concept specially designed to provide financial relief to individuals who have been hit by an unexpected accident. The insurance plan is to protect yourself, your family, or your property from a disaster that occurs. The insurance industry is regulated by Central Bank of Malaysia. Insurance works by paying compensation to policyholders who have suffered an accident or loss throughout the insurance. The importance of taking out insurance is as follows. First, health insurance can help you pay if your policyholder is suffering from illness, injury, or disability. Second, income protection replaces the policyholder's salary if he is unable to work. If the policyholder is unable to work, the beneficiary will be covered by life insurance. This insurance reduces the anxiety and daily life of policyholder and beneficiaries. Third, education and retirement regulation make children education comfortable throughout their retirement period. Bulk saving with an endowment plan. Distribute the plan to the policyholders, spouse, and children. They use this plan for real estate upgrade and higher education. The COVID-19 pandemic became severe on April 2020 when most countries have imposed lockdowns to suppress the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. The application of this pandemic have led to new offering by insurance companies such as mental illness coverage, protection from new diseases and unknown diseases. We can see the impact of this pandemic that insurance companies are diversifying their insurance coverage offering to customers in promoting the insurance industry. There will definitely be various improvement and benefit to customers from time to time according to current needs. We can see example of insurance company. The insurance company AXA offer the Flexi Protector package where customers can customize their personal protection according to their ability and budget, which provides the option to add various additional benefits to exchange customer protection to provide better assurance.
My name is Mawada binti Tobroni. You can call me Mawad. Today, I will explain about statistical information and other related information about insurance planning. Due to coronavirus outbreak, life insurance is currently experiencing something of rebirth. Since the spring, when 100,000 people start becoming ill and dying from COVID-19, consumers, particularly younger individuals, have begun purchasing insurance in greater numbers. So, sales of insurance have been declining for a while. According to Fitzgerald, whose company received a significant portion of its income from such internet search, Google search traffic for life insurance increased by 50,000 between March and May of this year compared to the same time in 2019. More than 200,000 Americans have died as a result of COVID-19 and tens of thousands of new cases are reported every day. There was a 13% increase in life insurance application among people under the age of 44. Compared to the people between the age of 45 and 59, there was a 0.4% increase for people 60 and older. Term life insurance has seen a particularly noticeable increase in sales. The number of life insurance policies sold online increased by 34% during the second and third quarters of this year. Experts claim that online brokers further reduce in-person engagement by not generally requiring medical checks to obtain coverage. Many insurers who haven't yet increased rates for new customers will most certainly do so in the near future. The COVID-19 pandemic lockdown limits and weak consumer demand are projected to be the main cause of the Malaysian general insurance industry's expected 2.2% decline in 2020, according to Global Data, a top provider of data analytics. Following the COVID-19 outbreak, Global Data updated its general insurance projection for Malaysia. The general insurance market in Malaysia is projected to expand at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 2.4% from 2019 to 2024, down from the earlier predicted growth of 4.9%, according to the most recent data. Sales by value decreased 31.5% in the first half of 2020, according to the National Property Information Centre (NAPIC). Bank Negara Malaysia (BNM) is looking into ways to increase the country's insurance industry's commercial potential. BNM is implementing initiatives including drafting the business line for fire and auto insurance. Despite the regulatory drive, the current spike in infection rates across the country is projected to severely impact growth expectations. Mr. Bis was right in his conclusion. The general insurance industry's potential for short-term expansion is anticipated to be constrained by weak export demand and uncertain economic environment.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Fazli Min. I'm going to explain about conclusion and recommendation for these two topics. As a conclusion, you will probably spend a lot of money on insurance over the course of your lifetime and buy several different policies. You must be aware of what each form of insurance covers and how it functions in order to make the best purchasing decision. Consider the benefits as well as the price before making a choice. Find the best insurance for your needs by investing the time to look around. Although people frequently claim that they cannot afford insurance, the truth is that they cannot afford to go without it. When unforeseen circumstances arise, it can prevent them from spending hundreds or even more on unwanted bills. The correct insurance policy can protect you and your family against unplanned calamities, but you don't want to squander your money on products that don't match your needs. Planning ahead is necessary to reach your retirement goals. The earlier you begin retirement planning, the better off your retirement will be in the long run. There are literally dozens of ways that can help you maximize the next 25 years or more of your life if you are close to retiring. We consider that retirement preparation is a vital component of your financial well-being. Together, we can identify your costs, set priorities for your objective, and create a portfolio of assets that will enable you to live a long and fulfillment retirement. As for the recommendation, we should considering the benefits as well as the price before making a choice. As I said just now, let's spend some time looking around to find the best insurance for our health. When unexpected accidents happen, it can prevent us from spending a lot of money on unwanted bills. Even we already have an emergency fund, we should also have an insurance. We may decrease the uses of the emergency fund and may save it for the future. Some situations are expensive without insurance. So, to protect your finance and peace of mind, it is important to have type of insurance that are relevant to you. Last but not least, for the retirement planning, we need to plan earlier to make ourselves ready before retirement. We must invest our money to save in order for it to grow. We can invest in Amanah Saham Berhad (ASB) or Tabung Haji. Those investment is type of low risk investment with high level of safety. As long as we plan for our retirement, we can always be ready to develop a financial asset or financial instrument such as property. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.